Hey friends, this is Trika of trickaplans. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. I'm here today with my Rong Rong Happy Notes, and I'm going to do a spring bucket list first, then the summer, because I'm doing spring because we have like almost about another month before summer, and I think I can get some of the things done on my spring bucket list before the summer, because summertime, which is next month, around the middle of the month, about 21st, 22nd, somewhere around there. Summer is going to be totally just about fun, but spring, I have some spring cleaning to do. I have so many tasks that I have to get done. And here I did my spread for the week, and I'm just jotting down all of the things that I have to do. I'm not quite sure how I'm gonna use this planner, but it's so pretty and I love it. So what we're gonna do today is do the spring bucket list, and if you're interested in seeing this bucket list, then hey, come along with me and let's get it started. Okay, first we're going to start by taking the page off of the disc, and we'll just sit this planner right on the side. We got a blank canvas. We'll be using the Happy Memory Keeping book, the Rongrong Seasonal Sticker book, and the Daydreamer sticker book all from Happy Planner. So we're going to go in and get this spring bucket list out of the sticker book. We're going to put that right in the corner. Then we'll find maybe a quote to put down to the bottom of the page, and I think I found one. Yes. Okay, so we will go in with the quote, "The Earth Laughs in Flowers" by Ralph Waldo Emerson. And then after I put this down, I'm going to go in the Rongrong sticker book, and I'm going to get these lovely ladies to also put down on the bottom right by this quote, "Friends and Flowers." And I think that is so beautiful. Yeah, so I'll put that right by that quote, and then I'll find a checklist also inside the Rongrong sticker book and put that right over here in the corner as well. And it's a spring's activities checklist, so that'll be fun. We can just put in different things we'll be doing for the spring, and then I'll go back in and check some of these sticker books. And then I want to say that I saw some sticky notes with the push pins in it that I would like to add, and those can be like bullet points to my spring bucket list. And then I go inside of the Daydreamer. I find this polka dot full box, and then I'm gonna put a to-do half box right beside it. That way I can add my little to-dos for the spring. And also I'm going back in the Happy Memory Keeping book, and I'm going to add this typewriter up top, and it says "Plant dreams, pull weeds, and plan a happy life." Yes, I love it. We're going to put that right on top of that full box. And then next I'll be adding the sticky notes with the push pins. Just add a colossal of them all throughout the spread, and then that way we can add our other bullet points on top of that, and then we still have space to write. So I think this is coming out really nice. Yes, so we just save that last one for later, and then we'll go in and add a suitcase to that one, and then we'll add random act of kindness up top. You never know when you have a getaway. And then we'll buy fresh flowers. I love fresh flowers in the spring. It just brightens up a room. Then I'll go in with, let's see, what would I do next? Visit the zoo. I'll do some spring cleaning. I see a visit the zoo sticker as well that I'm gonna add down there as well. Plant a garden. I already said that I needed some mulch for the front of my little for my garden, so I'm gonna add some flowers and mulch. And then it says bake goodies for neighbors, but maybe I'll just bake some goodies for myself. And I might share, but it might not be with the neighbors. It might be for my coworkers at the salon. So we just find different elements to add up top, and then I'm gonna add that little flower by the bucket list up top. And then on the spring activities, we're gonna have a girls' night out, host a game night. Let's see what else. Go to the park. I love the park. I can take my puppy to the park. She loves it. She likes to run wild. And why not play in the rain? That seems like fun. Hopefully I won't get sick. So I'm gonna have a garage sale. Hopefully I can get everything done by next month. I'm looking over everything. It's looking pretty good, right? Yes, I'm loving it. And so I'll take the baby to the zoo and let him just run wild within reason. Then I'll stick a little pineapple on the side. And then I'm going back in to just see what else I want to add. And I found this 2019. So I'll put the 2019 down and then pop the flower wrap back on top of that. So this spring bucket list is looking really good. So that completes the spring bucket list. I hope you guys enjoy everything. And if you find some type of creativity or anything, then come on in and join my little family. Hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and tell your girl hi. And to the people who are already subscribed, thank you so much. Hit the like button, comment down below, and share with a friend. So what I'm gonna do now is go ahead and put this back inside the planner and get one last glance over it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, like, comment down below, share with a friend, and hit the subscribe button, and also hit the notification bell, and let your girl know if you're going to be making a spring bucket list. Tag me, and if you're going to make a video on your spring bucket list or summer bucket list, leave me a comment down below so I can make sure that I'm watching your videos as well. And I appreciate you all. Thank you so much for stay tuning for another video.